concept of Members of the Rage kind of started with this idea, kind of coming up with a concept for a film. And the film was about, it's a real simple idea, it's about an alien invasion and a group of like survivors that band together to stop the invasion. Get after it.
Yeah!
Let's see what comes out.
Istituto Marangoni Miami, and you.
Oh my goodness. That is so dope, man.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah.
Welcome everybody, this is an incredible day for IMM, for Miami, for the fashion world. Scott Ramos Seguro Mescudi!
So how do you find your inspiration for anything really, and maintain it?
Try to remain open to the world. I use a lot of my own experiences in my life, things that I love from my childhood. That's a big pool of inspiration that I'm always diving into. I know we're not talking about my music, but this is kind of ties in. But like with that, you know, at that time, I was able to take a step back, you know, when I was coming up and trying to find my sound, and look at the rap game and see what was missing. And I decided to choose this honest path, and I was like, as long as I'm talking about myself, that will be unique, because I'm a very special individual.
That's actually, so John Lennon, who many of you probably don't know because you're too young, but John Lennon, who's one of the Beatles, said...
Come on, man. This dude's gonna play y'all, man. You hear this? Oh, man, this ain't how I might not know who John Lennon is. Too clean, too clean. Mama, it's a funny thing, guys. I want to give you a little story here. In high school, I was a juvenile delinquent. I was always getting in trouble. I got expelled 3 or 4 months before I was set to graduate. Never got to see. I've never, you know? So I've always wanted to give her this moment, and I really want to thank you guys, Istituto Marangoni Miami. Thank you for holding me down. Thank you for the honor. All the students, thank you guys for welcoming me. Thank you so much. This is incredible. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put this in my house. I might put this like right above my bed, because that's how big of a deal this is. This is a big flex. Thank you so much. I love y'all, man. Peace.